Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to review Amazon Flex app. Amazon Flex is a straightforward way for anyone looking to earn extra money by delivering packages on their own schedule. With the Flex app, users simply reserve a delivery block, pick up their packages, and get paid. No boss, no set shifts, just personal control over when and how often to work. The average pay sits between $18 and $25 per hour, but this can change depending on location, tips, and how efficiently routes are completed. It's ideal for people who value flexibility, such as parents, students, or anyone juggling other jobs because you only pick the hours that fit into your life. A big plus is that pay rates for each block are provided upfront in the app, so drivers know what they're getting before committing. Users can boost their earnings even further with perks like up to 6% cash back on fuel and special discounts on car maintenance and more, thanks to Amazon Flex Rewards. The app is also easy to use, handles all the paperwork online, and has no annual fees or minimum income requirement to get started, just a qualifying vehicle and a smartphone. However, success with Amazon Flex depends on access to available delivery blocks, and demand can get competitive, especially in busy areas. There are also expenses to consider, like gas, vehicle wear and tear, and taxes, which all eat into net earnings. The app rewards fast, reliable drivers with better scheduling options, but those new to the gig might need time to find their rhythm. To sum up, Amazon Flex is a flexible side hustle with the potential for decent earnings and great perks, though it's crucial to stay realistic about the costs and availability of delivery opportunities in your area. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.